Catalan and Spanish cabinets will begin a negotiation table on the independence crisis as early as this month. That was the main outcome from a highly anticipated meeting between the two presidents Torra and Sánchez here at the Catalan government headquarters. This is Catalan News in 100 seconds. Quim Torra and Pedro Sánchez met in person for the first time in over a year. They both expressed readiness for dialogue and said that it's the way forward, yet also showed distant positions. Torra urged Sánchez for self-determination and an amnesty for the jailed leaders, which the Spanish leader rejected for the time being and said that they aim for Catalan self-rule within Spain's constitution.
A mi m'hauria agradat molt avui que el president Sánchez per primera vegada m'hagués anunciat quina és la seva proposta en aquesta futura mesa de negociació.
Estamos ante un diálogo que va a ser largo, que no va a ser fácil, que va a ser muy complejo, pero en definitiva es un camino, es un recorrido que tenemos que hacer.
While Sánchez and Torra agreed to chair the first cabinet summit, Esquerra wants to see their senior official, Pere Aragonés, also involved. Meanwhile, right-wing unionists think the presidential meeting should not have taken place.
Nos parece una auténtica vergüenza, no entendemos qué es lo que tiene que hablar el señor Sánchez con una persona que ya no representa a los catalanes, con una persona que se dedica a atacar al Estado de Derecho y con una persona que se dedica a desobedecer las leyes.
The Council of Europe official reporting on the situation of the Catalan jailed leaders visited the imprisoned politicians yesterday and the Ombudsman today, as well as various Catalan MPs.
Haig de celebrar haver tingut l'oportunitat d'explicar-nos, que cada grup pogués dir la seva.
The two activists in jail got permission to leave prison for some time every week. Jordi Sánchez will be allowed to do some volunteer work 3 days a week, and Jordi Cuixart paid work Monday to Friday. However, they will still have to sleep in jail. And that's all for now from Barcelona's Plaça Sant Jaume. Be sure to follow all the details of the upcoming cabinet summits and much more on our social media and website.